Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to cancel your Docusign subscription in 2025. Whether you're looking to pause, switch plans, or simply move on, this tutorial will make the process super easy and stress-free. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Docusign website. Once you're there, click the Login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Make sure you log in with the account associated with your subscription. Once you're logged in, take a moment to review your homepage for any pending items. This is important because any unfinished tasks or documents might affect your account. Next, locate the admin button in the top part of the interface and click on it. This will take you to the administrative settings where you can manage your account. Within the admin section, find and click on Plan and Billing. Here, you'll see your current plan details, billing history, and the cancellation options. Take a moment to review this information. You might want to check your billing cycle to see if canceling now could incur any fees. Sometimes switching plans is a better option than canceling entirely. When you're ready, follow the prompts on the billing page to cancel your subscription. Docusign will guide you through the necessary confirmation steps, ensuring that you really want to cancel. Once completed, you will receive a final notification or email confirming your successful cancellation, and that's it. The process is straightforward once you know where to go and what to check. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your Docusign subscription easier. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.